Yeah, let's take the derivative of this. Now this is a little bit tricky because it's again, we have a function inside a function inside a function, so we have to kind of use the chain rule a couple different times. So the first thing we're going to do is take u to the fourth, that's the outermost function. We're going to take the derivative of that, which is just 4u to the third. And so we leave your u unchanged, which is just secant of 1 over x. Okay, now we have to multiply that by the derivative of the inner function, and your inner function here is secant of u for some different u. So we're taking the derivative of secant u and we're leaving that inner u, I should use a different letter besides u, the secant of w. We're leaving that inner function w unchanged. So what's the derivative of secant? The derivative of secant, if you look at your formula sheet, if you don't remember it off the top of your head, which I don't, is secant tangent, secant x tangent x. So I have to write secant, not x, I have to write secant 1 over x tangent 1 over x because it's unchanged, times the derivative, I should technically leave, let me clean this up a little bit here. Technically I should write tangent 1 over x times and leave that kind of inside the parentheses because this is the derivative of that inside function right there. So now I'm taking the innermost function, and the innermost function is just 1 over x. And the derivative of 1 over x is equal to negative 1 over x squared. So I'm taking that and multiplying that finally inside here as well. Now it didn't matter that it was inside that parentheses as it turns out because there's just a bunch of factors that are being multiplied. But now we have to clean that up. So to clean that up, it's going to equal, I'm going to take this and kind of put them out front. So I have negative 4 over x squared times secant cubed of 1 over x. That's just looks better to write it like that. Put the 3 next to the secant times secant of 1 over x times tangent of 1 over x. And these two now can be combined together, right? Because think of it as u cubed times u. Get the same function, which is just u to the fourth, right? So this is going to simplify to negative 4 over x squared times secant fourth 1 over x times the tangent of 1 over x. And that probably can't be simplified anymore. So that's your answer.